Well, good morning, friends. Let us learn today with regards to latest, last, later, former, later, less, lesser, fewer, or few. Well, these are adjectives which are normally used by us, but we make so many mistakes. Well, friends, where do we use letter? Letter is used when there is a defining time. Clear? He came later, not latter. It will be wrong of you, it will be correct of you. Defining time, you have to use letter. Where to use letter? If two acts are there and defining time with regards to two acts defining time. Both came here, both came here. Letter was the best one. So here defining acts, but as to explain about to letter defines the time. Letter defines over here time. Letter was the best one that defines coming together one and two. Right, both came here. So came is defining time, and you are using letter. I liked the letter one, not the letter one. So it will be correct and letter will be incorrect. Defining letter, I mean coming of the second one that defines letter. Whether latest is used at the time of if any action that happens in the very recent time, then we use latest. Action in the very recent time defines the latest. The latest news is here. What is the latest news about that? That defines the latest means which happened in the recent time. Last defines indicating the number. He was the last man. So last defines indicating the number. Well, let me explain with regards to former and later. What is formal? What is later? Formal define X and Y were here. Formal, former became the chairman again. So here defines former defines two persons were here X and Y, but denoting that two were present in the same place, but former became the chairman again. That defines the uh, period of time is same, but denoting the first one, right, he became the chairman again. Later defines the next one. X and Y were present here. Later became the best participant. Here defines both persons were present, but the time of denoting later defines Y became the best participant. Here X defines former. Clear, friends, to understand with regards to former and later? Let me explain how to use few and fewer. Few defines countable, as I said, few men were here, right? Or you can say, few were helping me, which is not sufficient, which is not sufficient. So, not defines a negative sense, and you are using few, and few is followed by plural from a verb. Fewer defines comparison. There were fewer persons than that place. So, at the time of comparison, you are used fewer, and fewer is followed by then. In the similar way, fewer is fewer and fewer is countable one, right? Countable adjective, and less and lesser is called uncountable adjective. I have less money. So money is not countable one, you are using less. I have lesser money than he. So I and he is the comparison, giving the lesser word followed by then as here, conjunction. So less is used in the case of only to denote less, but lesser is used in the case of comparison. Alright, thank you very much for learning these important parts of adjectives like later, latest, former, later, and few, fewer, less, lesser. Thank you. If you like my videos, then do subscribe for learning more about grammar.